Look at this picture and observe it carefully. Sound. The world around you is noisy. Look at this picture. This is the picture of a noisy area. You can hear cars moving, music playing, birds chirping, and dogs barking. Here the sounds were produced. Plug a guitar song, someone is playing the guitar. Plug a guitar string, someone is playing the guitar string, and here the sound is produced. Beat the skin of a drum, you can hear the sound it produces. Can you feel the skin moving very fast? This type of movement is called vibration. While playing the guitar, did you observe that there is any vibrational movement? Yes or no? Okay. That is the vibrational movement produces the sound, and some sounds are pleasant. The sound of a guitar and the creeping of a bird are pleasant to the ears. We love to hear those sounds, but some sounds are annoying or irritating. Someone is hearing that sound and she is feeling irritated. A loud and unpleasant sound is called noise. These sounds are called noise. The loud noise made by drills. Someone is drilling the wall, and this type of sound is called noise because that sound is very irritating sound. Firecrackers. Look at the picture. There is a firecrackers. Thunder. That is the picture of the thunder. Aeroplanes and vehicles can damage your ears because the average decibel that is more than the normal hearing decibel. As a result, we feel irritated and we feel depressed. So this type of sounds are called noises. We don't love that type of sounds. Even music, if played very loudly, can damage your ear. Students, have you listened music? Do you prefer to play it loudly or slowly? If you play it very loudly, it can damage your ear. Keep it in mind. Look at this picture. The string of a guitar and the skin of a drum produce sound by moving back and forth very fast. Look at this picture. That is the back and forth type of movement takes place very fastly. Sound is produced when anything moves back and forth very fast. Look at the picture here. Sound is produced when anything moves back and forth very fast. Look at this picture and observe it carefully. This is the video. Force. Students, did you have any idea about the force? Okay. Look at the two pictures. Lift a book. This girl is lifting a book. Why does it move? It moves because you pull the book towards you. Open a window. A girl is opening a window. Why does it move? It moves because you push it away from yourself due to force. Look at this picture. Here someone is pulling and someone is pushing, and here a man is pushing a cart, pushing a luggage cart here. Here the boy is playing football. Things move when you pull or push them. This pull or push is called a force. Force can move things. If something is heavy, you use more force to move it. Look at this picture and observe. You use less force to move light things. Here the boy uses light force to move the things. Look at this video. That is the videos of the force. Energy. Students, do you have any idea about energy? Okay. Let's discuss about energy. When you move something, you do some work. Your muscles need energy to do work. You get energy from food. These are called the energy giving food. From where